Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable location services on your ZTE Android TV box. To do it, click on Settings on your remote, then go down to Device Preferences. Now go down to Location and you can go to Location Status. Now you can either enable location services by setting Use Wi-Fi to estimate location or set it to off. You'll also see which apps have recently been requesting location. Now also, if you want, you can go to Apps, but that you'll need to go to the main page of settings, go to Apps, then go to App Permissions. Now, you'll be able to find location here. Then select which apps are allowed. You can also go to System Apps to allow or disallow some apps. And that will be about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.